The way you rehearse is 9 times out of 10 the way you perform. One thing about Prince, DJ, and the Vibe crew, they rehearse like it's 1,000 people in the room. They sound check like it's 1,000 people in the room. They stay ready so they ain't got to get ready. Do you feel me? I hope y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy this little vibe.
She saw me with another woman. Oh yeah, somehow they really turned her on. I said money, 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 money. We made it before they see it. Who they take? Hey, baby, wanna holler the way they do. Look okay tonight up in the night. I want to talk to y'all just for one little second. I know y'all know that I came in here and I came to impress you. You see the clothes I got on tonight, y'all? I said, you see the clothes that I got